All right, this some beef brisket and macaroni and cheese from what's the name of the place, dude? Railroad Barbecue, right by the railroad. How you get a beef brisket and they give you a plastic fork? All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, cut pretty good. Yeah, I know where it's at. Bismillah. So, pretty soft and tendery. I got 2 pieces of brisket and some mac and cheese. My phone fell. And some mac and cheese. 2 sides of mac and cheese. And 4 pieces of toast. Mac and cheese is a little bit gritty. No. Toast is kind of plain. I got some sauce here. It's called peach. Actually, this stuff is pretty soft. I'm cutting through it with this here, with ease. Got a little bit of fat on there, you know. Ain't that all. It's got some good flavor to it. Nice and moist. I'm gonna have some of this gritty mac and cheese. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna try this peach out. They got another one called GB. I don't know what GB is. Where's GB? Gold barbecue?
Probably.
Okay. I got that.
What color is it?
Gold.
Yeah. It's Carolina Gold.
Carolina Gold. So we got some barbecue here. It smells like regular barbecue, but the top says peach. So we're gonna give it a try. Cut, bam. Only 3 strokes, and I cut that. 3 strokes with a plastic knife. I'm gonna dip. Take it out. Turn it over and dip it again. Take it out. Look at it, and then we're gonna try it. All right. The sauce is cold. I don't like that, but I guess I can warm it up if I wanted to. But yeah, it's nice. If that sauce was warm, then that'd be on point. But I guess, you know, I don't know if it's prepackaged or whatever, so it's been sitting for a while maybe. I'm holding the phone up with my bottle of Coke that I got from the One Stop. I had to fight crackheads to get that bottle of soda. And man, he has a tension wrench or whatever from Snap-on in the case that he wants $4 for. $4. That thing is probably $100-something. So, dip. I might wind up heating up this barbecue sauce because I don't really like cold barbecue sauce. Hold on, let me go heat it up.
And you know what?
Okay.
Fried them, your old folks beef. She was like, they're green beans.
But so I just
String beans or green beans? She was
I just had my sauce warmed up, and my boy Deuce warmed it up. So people be like, oh, you know, you got a partner, this, that, whatever. Deuce does stuff like this for. He warms up my barbecue sauce. See, and I can try it out, nice and warm. Let's see how it tastes now. Much better, much better. Thanks, Deuce. So, that's good. See, I don't usually try mom and pop places, but Deuce does. So he's like, hey, you want to try some of this? No. I said, all right, we'll try it out. Toast again, pretty good. What I just realized that they probably gave me all of that bread because I'm supposed to make like a brisket sandwich or something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to, I'm gonna dip this brisket in the sauce. I'm gonna put it on the bread like that. Now that's kind of like a sandwich. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, so here we go. Quick review for, what is it, Railroad Barbecue? For a place called Railroad Barbecue. I got the brisket. Got the brisket plate with a side of mac and cheese, double side of mac and cheese. And it's pretty good. I'd try something else from there. So there you go. Hope y'all enjoy it. I'm gonna take this last little bit of sauce. I'm gonna actually pour it over my brisket. I'm gonna let y'all see that. Yummy. Yummy. Saturated.
Their loaded potato wedges are good too.
Oh, so I'm guessing Pam got a loaded potato wedges. Everybody knows loaded means bacon. So I don't know if Pam had bacon. But they're not loaded, Pamela. That's Pamela in the background. She's one of my biggest YouTube followers. So she was invited here today for a live eating, and she got to watch me. And hopefully in the future I'll pick one of you guys. So stay tuned, and we'll see how that goes. All right, comment below. So good.